Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we have another Walkman, so another day, another build. This is the WM FX251. So as you can see, quite in a nice shape. In part due to it having a case, because most of the Walkmans left in a drawer or something, they don't usually look as good as this one, but it still didn't protect it from a fall, it seems, because it's a little bit, it's cracked. But all in all, quite a nice Walkman with the radio, and you can see preset up to 20 stations, synthesized tuner, all the works. So let's see. Alright, so there's basically just a bunch of clips all around the frame. So according to the service manual, there's these 3 clips that are on the inside, which we need to take, or to push rather. So it's just basically really hard to open, and you just need good plastic tools. This isn't a particularly good one. This is actually a tire lever, which I use sometimes. But in any case, it actually did the job. Alright, so now we have access to the PCB. We also have some other clips left. I think we're gonna need to desolder these wires, but let's see. Yeah, if we I didn't see this ribbon cable, I'll just take it out. And it's just friction fit. There's no mechanism that I can see to unlatch it, or I think yeah, it just comes out like that. And after that we can flip the board to the side, and of course there's a somewhat gooey belt in here. Let's try to take it out in one piece. Have you seen the new one piece, by the way? All right. And of course we have sound. Although it runs a little bit slow to my ears, but it's running. So there you go, it runs. So I call that a success. So it was just the matter of which is kind of the case with most of these plasticky Walkmans that came at the end of the cassette era, and it's just the matter of finding the clips. I kind of found the user manual, which kind at least gives you the idea of where they are, and after that it's just the matter of getting between the getting into the crease and separating the two halves. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a thumbs up, otherwise you can subscribe, and until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.